use the lunar hair chart to harness the moon's energy to benefit our hair and achieve these 5 different goals depending on our hair goal. First goal is lengthening, which promotes hair growth and is associated with the element of air. The second one is strengthening, which promotes stronger hair and is associated with the element of fire. The third goal is thickness, which promotes hair thickness and is associated with the element of earth. Fourth goal is beautifying, which promotes more body and volume and is connected with the element of ether. The fifth goal is root work, which focuses on strengthening your roots and is associated with the element of water.